To get details about the project, you can visit the URL here, and their project name and every single detail about the project. So down below we have a list of components which we need to build this project, and then wiring connection, and also name of the libraries which we need to install for this project. Down below we have Arduino code, and in the code there are comments. So anyone who is learning Arduino and wants to understand how the code is working can refer the comment. This is the condition where I have added time, and it can be modified in the code. So this code will give us the current time, and it will take system time. It is in 24-hour format, not 12 hours. So everything in detail is here. Let's go ahead and build the project. So we need LCD with ITC module, then RTC real-time clock module, then we need Arduino Uno, LED, and jumper wires along with the breadboard. I do not have resistors, so I'm not using it. Wire connection detail is given on the screen as well as in the blog which I showed. So power supply like 5 volt and Arduino, 5 volt and ground will be given to real-time clock module as well as I2C LCD, and it will be coming from Arduino directly. There are 2 places where we can give 5 volt supply. We can take it from Arduino Uno. So the 5 volt to RTC and ground has been given. Now I'm giving 5 volt and a ground to LCD. Now it's time to connect A4 and A5 like SDA and SCL to both, to real-time clock module as well as to ITC module, which means LCD. And there are only 2 A4 and A5 on Arduino Uno. So I will take common supply. So I will connect jumper wires to breadboard. It will go to Arduino Uno A4 and A5, which means SDA and SCL. So SDA will go to A4 and SCL will go to A5. So the connection is like from Arduino, it will come to breadboard, and from breadboard to real-time clock module as well as LCD. So connection is done. Now it's time to connect. So connection is done. It's time to connect LED. Short leg will go to ground, and longer leg it will go to pin 13 on Arduino. Okay, so finally the wire connection is done, and it's time to upload the code. To get the code, we can go back to the URL, and I'll copy the code from here and paste into Arduino IDE. I'll make sure the port is selected, the Arduino is selected, and before I upload the code I will have to install libraries which is required to build this project. So one for liquid crystal IOT module, and another library would be for RTC library, the real-time clock. So both I have already installed because I made few videos on these, so these are installed on my machine. So I'll upload the code now. Compilation is done and it's getting uploaded. So code has been uploaded and we'll see the result. So what I have coded, like as soon as it is 12:40, the LED which you see on the breadboard will start glowing, and after 2 minutes it will automatically switch off. You see here it is glowing now. I have fast forwarded the video just for testing purpose. So 12:41 speeding up, and I will see as soon as it is 12:42, automatically the LED will go off, so it will switch off. You see, it has been switched off.